art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw little lady Bugboo, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started in the center of our page with the nose, and we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Let's connect this together on the bottom by drawing an arch line, curving that around and then back up. Let's move down on a diagonal now, and we're going to draw on the top of the left hand. So we're going to curve a line that arches around and then in. On the inside, we're going to curve this out towards the side. And then starting from the top, we're just going to arch this line around and then up. Let's close off the rest of the face now. So over on the top right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line for the corner of the mouth. We'll line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and arch that in towards our left hand. Closing off the top of the mouth now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right towards the nose. And then we'll replicate this on the right-hand side. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right, bringing that up. And then for the tongue, we're going to arch this line over. Moving behind, we're going to curve that back in. Now let's draw in the eyes. So on either side, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches out from the nose. On the inside, let's arch this line all the way up towards the top and then back down on the right. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Moving further up towards the top now, we're going to curve this line over and out. In the left-hand corner, we're going to draw in an oval for the highlight. And then moving over to our left eye, we'll do the same thing in the right-hand corner. Let's draw the antennas above now. So just above the eyes, we're going to draw in a curved line on either side on a diagonal. On the inside, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up, and the same on the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's connect this together now with a curved line. In the middle, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out, ending those at the same height. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. And now on the inside, we're just going to close the back off by curving these lines in. Let's close off the top now. So we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we'll replicate this on the left-hand side. For the eyebrows on either side, we're going to draw in a small curved line. Now let's move down, and we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out towards our left arm. Let's close off the top of the head now with a curved line from left to right. We're going to bring this line down on the right-hand side, curving this line down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. We're going to arch this line out and then in. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the face by just arching this line around and then up on the right. Let's draw in our right arm now. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to continue to extend this through as we come behind. From the top now, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then from the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's move underneath, and we're going to curve this line back out towards the side. From the top, let's curve this line around and then in. And then from the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Coming over towards the left-hand side now, we're going to start on the top, arching this line out. From the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from the corner here, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. Let's draw on the wings behind. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line out. We'll do the same thing over on the left. And now from the corner here, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle on the top. We'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. We'll draw in a half circle on the right hand side, and then another one as we move down towards the top of the arm. In the center, we're going to draw in a circle. We'll move over to the left hand side now, drawing a half circle in the corner. We'll move over and draw in a half circle on the top. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then in the corner, we're going to curve this up and across. And now in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's close off the legs now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line in. And then moving up in the center, we're going to draw in an arched line from left to right. For the right leg, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then starting from that point, we're going to curve this out towards the side. We'll move up above, curving this line over and out. And then we're going to draw in a curved line closing off the bottom of the foot. Let's move over on the left-hand side now, and we're going to curve this line all the way down towards the bottom. To the left of this, we're going to arch this line in. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. In the center, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then for the necklace, we're just going to draw 2 diagonal lines for the strings on either side. In the center, we're going to draw in 2 small circles, leaving a small gap in between as we come down. And then as we come underneath this, we're just going to draw a straight line through. And then on the side, we're going to draw in a half circle. We're going to do 2 of those. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Little Lady Bugboo from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.